Hey guys, this is Satya here. Welcome back to Healthy Recipes. Today we'll see how to make apple cinnamon cake. Here we are going to use wheat flour and jaggery powder. Into a bowl, add 400 milliliters of warm milk. You may use any fat-free milk. Next, add in 2 teaspoons of vinegar and give it a good mix. Mix it well and keep it aside for 10 minutes. To sieve the dry ingredients, take a bowl and add in 270 grams of whole wheat flour, one-fourth cup of corn flour. This is 30 grams of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, next add in half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Give it a good mix with a whisk. Mix it well and keep it aside. Next, take an 8-inch pan and line it with butter paper. Preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Next, into the milk mix, add in 150 grams of jaggery powder. You may also use brown sugar. Add in 120 milliliters of oil. Use any oil which doesn't have a distinct flavor of its own. Here I have used sunflower oil. Give it a good mix. You may use virgin coconut oil. Next, mix 1 tablespoon of wheat flour into 30 grams of crushed walnuts. Mix it well. This is to ensure that the walnuts don't settle down at the base of the cake pan. Into the dry ingredients, add the wet ingredients. Mix it with a whisk. Give it a good mix. Lastly, add in the walnuts. Mix it well. Pour the cake batter into the prepared pan. Tap it twice. Take 2 medium-sized apples, cut into thin slices. Add in half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 1 teaspoon of powdered sugar. You may use jaggery powder instead of powdered sugar. Give it a good mix. Next, place the sliced apples on the cake batter as shown. Bake this for 35 to 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Once the cake is baked, allow it to cool completely. Apple cinnamon cake is ready.